It's going to be a big one in Sydney on Saturday, whether I'm there or not. But these guys at the pointy end of the game. Kelly 727 at 188, but you don't get it. Mr. Lender's a quickie, 651, 220. You cannot ask any more out of the team. You cannot ask any more from both teams. 720s after 720s for the Jet team, and good on you, Kelly.
Where are we on the last run for Scotty Porter tonight? 218 mile an hour. I'm thinking, boy, that's just like the other passes. A little slower in the 60 with it now, a little slower in the 60. It's still at 644, 280 mile an hour. You guys ready for Sydney? You reckon you've done enough for Sydney, do you reckon? Oh,